The first thing will be look at what your longest queries are. So with a 5-minute absolute cutout, you're going to need to make sure that your queries don't take longer. In theory, DSQL should run faster because it's not doing the locking, because you get your own sort of dedicated transaction engine to run things. So in theory, it should be faster, but in theory and reality are often not quite the same. So I would start by looking at things like performance insights, go and have a look at your longest running queries. If you are coming from MySQL, you could look at things like the slow query log, for example, set that up with a 300-second timeout on the slow query log, and then you'll be able to see if it's empty, you're all good. You're not going to hit that absolute hard limit. Again, then it is starting to look through your application code really, and how much are you relying on foreign keys. If you're already doing a lot of that in-house, then again, I don't see any of these things being a blocker. Only the one would be things like JSON. So currently JSON's not supported. I'm very certain it will be coming fairly soon because it's pretty massive these days for so many customers using JSON. So I'm hoping that's going to come. But if you're using it right now, it's not going to work. And again, sadly, especially given the massive push and how many things we're talking about Gen AI, it doesn't support PG Vector, which is a real shame. So you can't do your vectoring, you can't do your embeddings and use that for a lot of Gen AI. So if you're using things like Bedrock or SageMaker and you want to connect it to this to hold like embeddings, you can't do that right now.